Fucking.
Can't see nothing.
There's no battery. He's in for a battery. What are you in for?
You were playing with spanners, right?
Even on. Look, what are you in for? I got high and he's in for a battery. I got no battery. Where is it? It's in my pocket.
Fuck's sake.
That is not my pocket. Tough crowd. But seriously.
You sure you weren't taking it? Like, seriously.
Confused sea lanes. But seriously. Look, it's not funny just because you're high. You're big fucking. He's actually bigger. He's getting time and he's about 2 centimeters higher. Who's smoking drugs? He's on it. 2 spanners going mental. We're talking about spanners. We being on corn what?
That's why I'm not even getting involved in it. Don't you spray that?
I couldn't, I shouldn't, wouldn't, but yes,
but you did.
I took your chicken and read so. Farting. Good behaviour.
I thought I was going to be peace there for a minute.
What? Pizza?
Peace.
This is not Italian. But seriously.
Shut up.
What am I doing?
Yeah, just shut up. Seriously.
Nice one. DJ's manner. Fucking yeah. You're still in jail. Getting high, you mad fuck. Your friend's playing the decks. I'm gonna take it for playing the fuck. Good, go out for good behaviour. Your friend's playing the decks. Nice one.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Well, bye.
5.